Hi everyone, welcome back to Pretty Little Garden. Well, the holidays are just around the corner, and I know all of us are going to be shopping for gifts for our loved ones soon. I just recently celebrated a milestone birthday, and I received the most beautiful, thoughtful gardening gifts from some of my loved ones and close friends. So I thought, why not share with you some of the gifts that I received? And I will put links down in the description box below in case you are interested in any of these items. These are just items that I'm going to link to the site. There's no affiliate link or no sponsorship. I just simply thought it would be a nice idea to share with my viewers in case you are getting a head start on your shopping and you're shopping for someone who loves gardening. So let's get started. This first gift is so adorable. It came in this little bag. It's from Kate Spade, and I think it's actually from the Kate Spade outlet. And like I said, I'll link to this particular bracelet. I think it was called the Garden Glam bracelet. And I'm just going to stand here for a moment and look at this adorable little garden bracelet that has all unique little gardening charms on it. I hope you can see that. You can see all the little flowers have the little spade for Kate Spade. There's a little snail. There's a little fork cultivator and a little trowel. And there's several flowers on there. There's also a little watering can, another little shovel, and a pair of gardening gloves. I just thought this was adorable and so thoughtful. I will link to this. Isn't that adorable? Who wouldn't love to get that as a gift? I just thought it was so fun, and I've been enjoying wearing it. Such a cute gift. Each charm is just so adorable and well thought out. This next gift is just a collection of poems. It's actually a collection of tree poems. It's called Tree Verse, and the author's name is John Benzie, and he's actually from my area. He's from Western New York, and it's just a collection of poems about different trees. So I personally love poetry, and if you have someone in your life who loves poetry, I would, and loves nature or gardening, I just think this is a nice gift. I'll read one of the poems to you. This poem is called Sweet Sugar Maple. Hidden gold, a euphoria of taste, oozes out from an elongated treasure chest. A tender sweetness of melted snow and fresh crystal water, drip, drip, dripping from a wild tree. And again, that's the sweet sugar. That's about the sweet sugar maple. And there's different poems about the willow tree, the holly, palm trees, poplar trees, juniper, chestnut trees, weeping willows, yews. It's just a beautiful, thoughtful gift. And if you have someone who just enjoys nature and poetry and, deeper thinking, I think this is such a thoughtful gardening gift. Okay, this next gift is just a cute little mug, and it's from the Etsy shop, The Mug Whisperer, and I'll link to that Etsy site. And I just thought this was adorable, and it says, I'd rather be gardening on the front. And you could see it has a little garden apron, and there's some boots there and some gardening tools, a watering can with some flowers coming out of it. And then if you turn it around, it was customized, and it says Pretty Little Garden with some flowers there. So I just thought this was so thoughtful and so personal to me. You could customize. The Mug Whisperer has all sorts of different mugs with different sayings on them, and you can also customize. Like this one was customized with my little name of my YouTube channel for Pretty Little Garden. So again, it's just a nice, thoughtful gift for somebody who loves coffee or tea. Okay, this next gift is also from an Etsy shop, and the Etsy shop, the gift came in this beautiful bag. It's called All About Impressions Etsy shop, and inside that bag was a beautiful trowel and cultivator set. And if you can take a look, It's very well made. Let me just hold up the cultivator first. And it was engraved and personalized. It says Pretty Little Garden and my initials. And it has a really beautiful wooden handle. And, you know, the steel part of it is very well made and sturdy. Feels very sturdy. And I'll show you the trowel. Just really quality. And I took a look at this Etsy site, and she had wonderful reviews. You know, this All About Impressions Etsy site. I will link to that in the description box. But what a thoughtful, beautiful gift. Again, something that's personalized or customized is just, it's that extra little added touch that's just, you know, really a thoughtful and beautiful gift for someone. I also received several packages of seeds, and they're all happy birthday seeds. This one says happy birthday, sweet pea. These are sweet pea seeds. Cheers to another trip around the sun. Happy birthday. May you never stop growing. Wishing you the happiest of birthdays. And they just all have little nice sayings. This one says, happy birthday. May your day be filled with joyful memories. And these are forget-me-not seeds. And all of these seeds are from Bentley Seed Company in Cambridge, New York. So I'll try to link to those. If I can't find the exact site for these seeds, I did notice on Amazon, you can type in happy birthday seeds and you get, you know, an array of options for special occasion seeds. But I also thought this was such a thoughtful, unique, and special gift to give somebody something special who loves gardening. I think I just have a couple more here, a couple more suggestions for gifts. This next gift is a t-shirt. And if you can see, it says, I'll be in my office. And it's just a cute little wheelbarrow full of flowers. And it's in this nice gray color. And it's nice and soft and stretchy. It looks super comfortable. So I'm going to be loving to wear that gardening t-shirt. And this also was from an Etsy shop. And I can't think of the name of the Etsy shop offhand. I did look it up, but I'll be sure to link it in the description box if you're interested. I also noticed that on Etsy, there were just lots of different options for t-shirts, for gardening t-shirts. So you have a wide variety to choose from. Sometimes when I'm shopping for gifts, I forget about Etsy. And Etsy is such a great place to go for unique, customized gifts and that, you know, feels special. So check out Etsy. I think it's a wonderful place to shop. So again, that's the I'll be in my office t-shirt. Very soft, comfortable looking. I can't wait to wear it outside. Another option for a gardening gift. I also received this beautiful gardening journal, and it's from a website called pagetate.com. And they have, you know, different gifts, not just gardening gifts, but gifts for, you know, Mother's Day or Father's Day, different things like that. Beautiful books. And it's called My Gardening Journal, a weekly tracker and logbook. And it says, plan your garden and track your plants throughout each growing season with this comprehensive gardening journal, perfect for the beginner or seasoned gardener alike. So it says, whether you're new to gardening or an experienced green thumb, this year-long gardening journal will help you get a head start on next season's harvest. So it's just beautiful. It has a beautiful cover, and I just flipped through it. Isn't that beautiful? Just that page there. I just started flipping through it, and it goes week by week. It says week of, and you can make your little notes. And I noticed that each page also had like an inspirational quote or saying. For example, this says, won't you come into the garden? I would like my roses to see you. Just little sayings or quotes that can inspire you and motivate you. I had to come out here for this next gardening gift. This is a beautiful little laser cut metal gardening sign. And again, it's customized. It says Pretty Little Garden with the little hummingbird and the flowers. And I absolutely loved it. I thought it was so thoughtful and beautiful. Again, this is from an Etsy shop. And I will put the name of the Etsy shop up here on the screen and also link to it in the description box. But just another beautiful, thoughtful garden gift. Nothing can beat a homemade gift, right? This was from my niece Ella, and I'm sure she won't mind me giving her a shout out. Thank you, Ella. It's a beautiful picture that she painted for me. She knows I love flowers and she knows I love hummingbirds. And if you can see her beautiful artwork there on this little canvas, this little canvas piece. And the back says, "To Aunt Jenny from Ella, happy birthday." So nothing can beat, a homemade gift, right? I think we can all agree on that. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope that this could be an inspiration or a motivation for you as you get your holiday season shopping started, or if you're just shopping for a birthday gift or a special occasion gift for someone that you love who loves gardening. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.